things I regret buying from Amazon and why. These expandable bamboo organizers say they will fit different size drawers with the ability to customize any space. They made my drawers so organized and beautiful that I can't keep buying a bunch of duplicate utensils since I can now see all the items I have. These fillable Slobproof paint pens are meant to replace the need for getting the huge paint bucket out to touch up marks around your house. But now, instead of getting my work done, all I do is walk around my house and search for marks and scratches so I can touch them up. These motion activated puck lights that stick to any surface have ruined my diet. I never get caught sneaking down for a midnight snack anymore because I don't need to fuss with the big light and wake everybody up. Plus, they're rechargeable, so I don't even get to go buy a bunch of those tiny random batteries anymore. Ugh. This mini handheld vacuum that comes with several attachments both sucks and blows because it can suck up crumbs and vacuum seal with one end and push out debris from tight spaces with the other. I can't use my shiny new credit card to buy the 7 other tools I have in my Amazon cart, since this one does it all. These compression packing cubes say you can fit double the amount of clothing in your suitcase because they compress your clothes down to a smaller size. But now all I'm doing is overpacking. I have too many outfit options on vacation. See caption for product links. Like and follow for more home content.